Camera. Stop harassing people. I'm calling the law on you right now for harassment. Got you on camera. You on camera. Stop harassing people. I'm calling the law on you right now for harassment. Got you on camera. You're welcome to put that light on me so you can see that I'm armed, but my hands are up.
You're good.
All right.
What's going on now?
Well, this is an ongoing, perpetual situation.
That's what he said?
Yeah. Where do you want me to begin? Or you want to say what happened tonight?
He said tonight that he went out to go to church and I gave him a ride and you were standing outside holding a rifle, which is not illegal. I mean,
I have video of what happened. So I am always in my yard with a rifle because of him and for people like him. He has tried kicking in my gate. I've got video evidence of it. He's threatened to burn me and my family down while we're sleeping overnight. I've got evidence of it.
you all are in court already?
Yes, sir, we are.
And he needs resolved in court.
The lawyer instructed him to do not talk to this, ordered him not to.
Wow.
Because he's angry that I shot and killed his dog. And he can't get over it. His pit bull was on my property eating my chickens.
Okay.
And I've told him, and I've lived next to him for 6 years, if it comes on my property and threatens my family or my livestock, I will kill it. And I don't care who or what it is.
He said too that you thought maybe your wife might be in danger.
Yeah, he's fishing and hoping for something because I've got him on domestic charge of terrorism. She is. Yeah.
She walk out and say, "Hey, I'm good."
Absolutely.
Now I'll get out here and let you phone.
Babe, I'm right here.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Sir, would you like me
You
to turn
sneak.
this light on, or baby, you can just come over
That's
here
a
to the gate and I'll stand with you.
Beautiful dog. What is that?
He's a Great Pyrenees.
Oh, he's all right. Can you just? I mean, are you okay? Obviously.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got a pistol on my side.
I do too. So we're all fairly quiet.
Thank you, sir.
It's
I
just,
appreciate that.
I just don't know what it is. He said that something at church tonight. 11:06. Somebody picked pictures off the board,
Absolutely.
man. I called you. You're not being held against your will, right?
Neither am I. Thank you.
Well,
Listen, let me just break this down for you. Real simple, real sweet, okay? I've got him with some real heavy time. That's what he's looking at. And he wants to get at me so bad, and they come around here hoping they're going to get something. I'm not a criminal. I don't break the law. And they're hoping they're going to catch me in something. I don't break the law. So now they're inventing stories about me and my wife. Makes it for a great story on Facebook, and it's going to be fantastic on YouTube, and I'm going to love sharing it in court.
okay.
On camera. Stop harassing people. I'm calling the law on you right now for harassment. Got you on camera. Come back. You on camera. Stop harassing people. I'm calling the law on you right now for harassment. Got you on camera. You're welcome to put that light on me so you can see that I'm armed, but my hands are up.
You're good.
All right.
What's going on now?
Well, this is an ongoing, perpetual situation.
That's what he said?
Yeah. Where do you want me to begin? Or you want to say what happened tonight?
He said tonight that he went out to go to church and I gave him a ride and you were standing outside holding a rifle, which is not illegal. I mean,
I have video of what happened. So I am always in my yard with a rifle because of him and for people like him. He has tried kicking in my gate. I've got video evidence of it. He's threatened to burn me and my family down while we're sleeping overnight. I've got evidence of it.
you all are in court already?
Yes, sir, we are.
And he needs resolved in court.
The lawyer instructed him to do not talk to this, ordered him not to.
Wow.
Because he's angry that I shot and killed his dog. And he can't get over it. His pit bull was on my property eating my chickens.
Okay.
And I've told him, and I've lived next to him for 6 years, if it comes on my property and threatens my family or my livestock, I will kill it. And I don't care who or what it is.
He said too that you thought maybe your wife might be in danger.
Yeah, he's fishing and hoping for something because I've got him on domestic charge of
Is she here?
terrorism. She is. Yeah.
Did she walk out and say, hey, I'm good?
Absolutely.
No, I'll get out here and let you phone.
Babe, I'm right here.
Oh, you are? Okay.
With the dog.
Oh, there you go.
Sir, would you like me
You
to turn
sneak.
this light on? Or, baby, you can just come over
That's
here
a
to the gate and I'll stand with you.
Beautiful dog. What is that?
He's a Great Pyrenees.
Bart.
Oh, he's all right.
Alright.
Can you just, I mean, are you okay, obviously?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a pistol on my side.
I do too, so we're all fairly quiet.
Thank you, sir.
It's
I
just,
appreciate that.
I just don't know what it is. He said that something at church tonight. 11:06. Somebody picked pictures off
Absolutely.
before, man. I called you. You're not being held against your will, right?
Neither am I. Thank you.
Well,
Listen, let me just break this down for you. Real simple, real sweet, okay? I've got him with some real heavy time. That's what he's looking at. And he wants to get at me so bad, and they come around here hoping they're going to get something. I'm not a criminal. I don't break the law. And they're hoping they're going to catch me in something. I don't break the law. So now they're inventing stories about me and my wife. Makes it for a great story on Facebook, and it's going to be fantastic on YouTube, and I'm going to love sharing it in court.
okay.
He finally got off the road and went home. I'll go ahead and turn back around. I'll put him in my life. I don't feel safe leaving him here. My wife's coming out on the road now. I'm coming to the driveway now. It looks like she's got something to say. Yeah, baby? I'm on the phone with the local law enforcement, the sheriff's department. Yeah, well, he just tried to run me off the road. Yeah, he just tried to run me off the road.
Just go down there again.
Well, I don't feel safe leaving you here and the kids. I'm not going down there.
Oh.
I wanted to. That's where I was headed. There's just no way.
Okay.
Yeah, and then he like slammed on the brakes and then spun his car around and stared at me for like in the middle of the road. I had to pull over on the side of the road and then turn around and come back to you. I'm sorry, sir. I was just catching my wife on what's happening. Good morning, sir.
What's going on?
Same problem as last time you came here. This guy, with my family.
Okay. You need to try to get a warrant on him or something.
That's where I was headed this morning.
Okay.
He ran me off the road there in front of my house. Spun around, ran up on me, squealed tires in the reverse, yelling at my wife and children. Last night, They pulled up in my driveway, rolled their windows down. I got video of everything if you'd like to see it.
No, there's nothing I can do about a misdemeanor that happened in my presence, like I told you last time.
Even if you see a video of it?
It's a misdemeanor that did not happen physically in my presence.
Alright, well, how do I ask for a warrant?
Go up to the county attorney and see if they'll issue one.
Here's my predicament. You need to come in? Here's my predicament. As soon as I start to leave, he comes over here and tries to get to my wife. As soon as I leave.
Okay.
And he's done it before. So I'm scared to leave.
With you.
If I take all my whole family, they're surely going to break into my home and steal everything that I've got. What option do I have other than going down? Because that's where I was headed this morning, and I couldn't.
That's the only thing you can do.
That's the only option I have. Okay.
That's the only thing that I can tell you on that.
You can't do anything for me. Huh?
There's nothing I can't arrest on a misdemeanor that didn't happen in my presence.
Okay.
So that's.
I just regret wasting your time, man. Should I stop calling because you guys can't ever help me? What, I put him in jail. This has been going on for months, where he's threatening to kill my family in the night. He's using guns to harass us and threaten us. He shoots them off and yelling my name in the street. He just ran me off the road. Okay. And how do I do that? How do I talk to him?
Go up there to his office. That's about the best way to get a hold of him.
Okay. So just go to the county. And where is the office at?
It's in the old courthouse, 7th floor.
Old courthouse. I'm familiar with that. Okay.
Like I said, just keep your distance from him best you can till you go up there and talk to him.
We don't say nothing to him. We don't try to look over there. I don't even let my kids play in my fucking yard anymore. That's how bad it is.
I understand, but like I said, you know, if you tried to call him, you can't get a hold of him. The best way to go is just to go up there to his office and see him in person.
Okay. Okay. So is there an option to call and talk to someone?
Yeah, you can get the phone number in the book.
Okay. I'll probably go that route. Like I said, I don't want to leave my life in this property as much as possible until he's hopefully locked up for a significant amount of time.
And that would be, like I said, something you need to talk to him about.
I mean, I don't know what this guy is thinking. It's like he's trying to provoke a worser situation. I mean, I'm armed. You see, I'm armed. I'm always armed. My wife is always armed. When we go into town, we go to grocery shopping, anywhere, armed. Walk around my property, armed. I've let him know, I've let the judge know in court that we are prepared to defend ourselves and our property. I don't know why this guy thinks otherwise. I think in his mind it's so fractured that he thinks that he's going to intimidate me and bully me into, cowering in some way. I don't want to cower and I don't want to fight. I just want to be left in peace. And he doesn't want that. He doesn't want to be left in peace. He doesn't want to leave me in peace. So where does that leave me, I'm just asking you guys for help.
Well,
and while I wait for the candle to burn down for the worst possible moment to happen. You know what I mean? That's where my situation's at.
And like I said, if anything that I could do for you within the bounds of the law, I would. But these are misdemeanor things that are happening that I can't do anything about.
I understand. I do. I get that. You're a man of the law, and I respect that. And if necessary, go down there. Thank you for your advice and for your help.
Like I said, no problem. Just when you get a hold of them, just tell them that your case, your name, whenever you went to court, they can pull your file. They can see what the judge has ordered on that.
Okay.
And then if you've got that evidence or whatever, you have to bring it up there to them and show it to them so they can issue it more, all right?
Okay. That's what I'll have to do then. Thank you for your help.
All right. No
Don't
problem.
be surprised if I have to keep calling. I'm trying to cross my T's and dot my I's. You know what I mean?
I understand.
I have to keep you guys in the loop. Otherwise, they'll tell lies on me. He's saying that I'm holding my wife against her will. She comes and goes all day long. It's nonsense. Just total nonsense.
All right. I understand.
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Hey, sir. Because I have a history and I know what's about to happen, as soon as you leave, and I mean as soon as you leave, they're going to start back up. So if you want to catch them doing something, come back in a couple of minutes and catch them doing something, because they will be doing something. Just before you got here, they were in the yard yelling at us and revving the motorcycle up. And as soon as you pulled up, they stopped and went away. So as soon as you leave, they're going to do something.
Okay, I understand.
Have a good day. Thank you, sir.